turn right in front of you, right here. Turn right in front of you. There's a good picture.
Now that is cool.